This is day 3 of stating my beliefs and why I believe them for 1 minute. I believe that all all men, women, even boys and girls, should be taught of the habit to lift. Why? Because lifting has several habits. One, it teaches you discipline. Number two, it teaches you the concept of delayed gratification. Number three is it just makes you healthier. And why are those important? First is that discipline discipline